What's up, everyone? I hope you're doing well. And today, guys, I have a 2020 Bowman Platinum Baseball box. I got this in Walmart for $39. There's 23 cards inside. There's 2 parallels and 1 autograph inside. May contain in the redemption cards with expiration date. Okay. All right, let's see what 23 cards in here we can get. So we can get 1 auto, which is pretty cool, and 2 parallels. So we will see how this works. Oh, this is cool. There is 1 pack like that. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and we will see what we can get in here. Right, there it is. Oh, it's opening easy. Very nice. All right. Oh, these cards looks cool. Look at that. Platinum. Nice cards. All right, and first is Albert Duyols. Okay. Next one is Jeff McNeil. Next up is AJ Puck. Josh Bell. Paul DeJong. All right. Shane Bieber. Chris. Is it Sale or Gale? It's Sale. Chris Sale. Hey, Mike Trout as well in here. Pretty cool. Next we have Chris Bryant, Francisco Lindor, and next one is something special. All right, there it is. Nick Solak, rookie. Really nice parallel. Let's see if it's numbered or not. It's not numbered, it's just like that parallel. Nick Solak, rookie. Pretty cool one. Oh, this is our first rookie. The next card is Bo Naylor. That's another parallel. And there's an auto right off the bat. Josh Smith. There it is. Sticker auto. Josh Smith. Not numbered as well. And let's see the rest of it. Corey Lee. Sam Huff. Andrew Vaughn. Keoni Cavaco. Gunnar Henderson. This is crazy. That's a bit hard to read in here. All right. Gilberto Jimenez. Zach. Trevor Larnack. Demi Garcia. And William Contreras, the last card. So that's it of this box. Gotta double check if we missed any rookie or not. I don't see any rookies. Oh, we missed one. Dang it. Good that I checked. Puck. AJ Puck is rookie. That's good. So there it is. There it is, guys. This is our best pulls. This is stack of cards. We got auto of Josh Smith. We got Nick Solak rookie card, green parallel. We got AJ Puck rookie. And we got another parallel Bo Naylor. So here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.